Alright guys, for the second time, had to swap the battery real quick, but here it is. We got this tranny up in here, all nice, wrapped up in Downstar hardware, excuse me, and a K2 slave, and then same thing over here. We got this thing wrapped up in K2 goodies, drug cartel up in there, Downstar here, Downstar there, Downstar everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Got some K2s, some round wire up in there. And that's exactly what brings us to this, is this right here. That's right, action clutch. Yo, this is my second or third clutch I'm running for action clutch. Never, ever had a problem with action clutch. And I'm not just saying that. So I stand by this product 100%. And cannot wait to get this thing in there and get it rolling, you know what I'm saying? So yeah buddy, let's get it going. So what we got here is a stage 3 action clutch with a 9-pound flywheel. I got the OEM bolts, and don't forget this ring right here to put that in your crank. And then I had the tool, the alignment tool, which I believe, did I put it over here somewhere? I sit on the table, there you go. I'm tripping. I'm tripping up in here with this thing. So we got the alignment tool. Goes up in there, but don't forget your ring, which is right there. So you got that ring, you gotta get your ring up in there, nice and clean, but you gotta beat that sucker in. So as you know, if you get a K24, usually you all wanna have this ring. Very important, you guys get this ring in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the second once I get it in. I can probably set it on the stand or something. For OEM bolts are jacked up, make sure to hit up your local dealer, and you can get it from Honda. If you don't know what part number it is, it's right there, 90011-PNA-boo. What a boo in Japan they do up in here. I don't get that. Psh, bunch of baloney, huh? But yeah, I like it. The other side of the motor looks ugly because there's no clutch in it. So now that I put this clutch in, it's gonna make it look nice. Yeah, let's get it going. Let's get it going. All right, guys. So in order to tighten up your flywheel bolts, which by the way, I got those new bolts up in there, which I'm kind of excited. Got some new OEM bolts. Some people prefer to use Loctite. I'm just kind of going more of OEM, you know, not using any of it. And if you do use some Loctite, prefer to use some blue Loctite, like an old friend of mine, Marvin, told me. And probably you will not hurt anything, but don't go with the regular Loctite. Definitely not on those fine threads, because that's what's going to happen. You're going to end up stripping those when you back them out, and your crank is toasted, and you're done deal. Got to get a new motor or rebuild it. So what you do, you just prop your 1/2-inch extension. It's going to suck up against the block right there. And then you just go, what do you say, crisscross, you know, boom, 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 and done. And that's how you do it. And I'm almost forgetting the last important thing, that you need to torque it down to 87 foot-pound of torque. That's right, 87. I got this Mako torque wrench, which goes up to like 250. I don't know why that big, because I probably never torqued something that big. Who knows? I think my motorcycle's back sprocket is like 180. That's a lot. But that's it, 87. That's if you're using a just regular socket. If you're using an extension, just add a couple more foot-pounds, so I'll probably go up to 90, and that should probably do it. Because the longer the extension it is, it kind of takes away the strength of tying the bolt. It loses because it's twisting the metal. Or if you have junctions like couplers, if you go from 3/8 to 1/2 inch, you definitely want to torque it more than that. So yeah, you just torque it down, and boom, go with the flywheel. Now flywheel, I believe that was 18. I'll double check on that. But I'll go here in a bit and I'll show when I'm getting ready to do the other one. Alright guys, catch you in a bit. Vatos Locos up in here. Oh, there you go guys. Got this torque up to 19 foot-pound. Got the other ones, the flower torqued up to 87. We used a 1/2-inch drive on those with the Mako torque wrench. Mine goes up to 250, so we're good on that. And yeah, it's about to slap that trinity on there, you know what I'm saying? Button those up real nice and go to town. Do you know what I mean? Vatos Locos up in here. You know the Vatos Locos. Like Rocky, you know? Crazy. Alright guys, so clutch is in. Don't forget it. 87 flywheel. 19 pressure plate. Don't forget to run the OEM bolts. The 12-point flywheel and pressure plate. And now we're just gonna slap the tranny on. We're gonna put some nice downstar goodies up in there. And bolt it up. Drag this thing back on that 4-wheeler deal up in there. Do some more wiring up in there. Set some few things inside the car and then put the motor in. Yeah, buddy. Stay tuned up in here. Vatos Locos, huh? Okay. Talking to myself?